May pips be upon you. How you guys doing? All right, let's talk about Euro USD. All right, this is the day chart. See the uptrend? Pretty nice, right? Since the 20th of March, 2020, you see it hasn't been violated yet. All right, I still think the uptrend is still intact. All right, we made higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, but we did not break that high. All right, we made a higher low, but no follow through for the higher high. And the subsequent attempt ended up really making essentially a double top, and we came down to the close to the trend line. A break of this structure here, this last higher low, which is this higher low. All right, a break of that would constitute, you know, the the uh, the break of structure in my view, because once you break structure, I look for the retest. All right, I look for a retest of this same zone. All right, up to this zone. This is going to be this area. All right, I want price to come back here, retest, and then break this trend line, break this low here, and continue in the new trend, thus making a lower high relative to these and a new lower low. That would constitute a new trend. Got it? Let's go to the 4 hour, really, because that's where the setup is. All right. I want you to take a very close look at this. If you looked at my weekly forecast video on my channel, you'll see that I had forecasted for this to actually reach up to this area here, right around the 50 to 618 golden ratio, around this area, which is these lower highs. All right, these higher lows here. I was hoping that price would end up coming up here and then rejecting from that area. All right, we are on our way up. All right, but along the way, guess what we're forming? That's right, you can see it. We are forming an inverted head and shoulder pattern. All right, and what do I want to see? Well, if we go down to the 1 hour, we can see it pretty clearly. I, what I what I would like to see is price hit, and we're heading there now. Price hit this area here. All right, and then continue on its way up until we reach that area of concern. All right, why do I think it's going to reach here? Because look where the neckline. I mean, look where the price has found this support here. All right, this is our neckline here. All right, I want to see it come here in this trading range. All right, come to the bottom of this trading range, take a buy from here, and take it on up to the top of this trading range. Wait till it breaks the top, retest, and then goes on up to the my area of concern. That's the trade. That's what I'm looking at, and the area we want to make sure. Excuse me. I want to make sure I put an alarm there so that when price does reach that area, I'm Johnny on the spot and we can get a buy-in. I could put a pending here, but I'd rather wait till I see bullish price action at this level, and then I can take it on up. All right. Tell me how you like it. Drop a comment, leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.